Catch this! Indoor plants you can eat right from your kitchen. Who knew, right? This concept may have sounded foreign to many just a few years ago, but today, the idea of growing and consuming your own indoor plants is not only practical, but also deeply fulfilling. The convenience and health benefits these plants offer is quite a revelation. The beauty of it all is that you don't even require a sprawling outdoor garden. Just a few pots in your kitchen will suffice. First off, let's talk about aloe vera. This plant is truly a marvel of nature. Its succulent, spiky leaves are not just pleasing to the eye, but are packed with valuable nutrients. The gel inside the leaves is a wonder ingredient for burns and wounds, while also being a fantastic supplement for your smoothies. Its benefits are innumerable, from boosting immunity to improving skin health. Imagine having this medical powerhouse right at your fingertips. Next, we have the vibrant chive. This humble plant, with its delicate purple flowers and slender green stems, adds a fresh pop of flavor to any dish. Its subtle onion-like flavor can enhance anything from salads to baked potatoes. And its benefits don't stop at the palate. Chives are rich in vitamins and minerals, contributing to your overall health in a delicious way. Then there's the classic basil. Few herbs are as universally loved and versatile as one. Its intense aroma is a staple in Italian cuisine and a fragrant addition to your home. Basil leaves are often used fresh in recipes and also contribute to a variety of health benefits, including aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. Moving on, let's discuss the aromatic thyme. This herb is absolutely fantastic for soups and stews. Its aromatic leaves bring a depth of flavor that cannot be understated. Plus, it's a great source of vitamins and has antimicrobial properties. We also have the evergreen parsley. This versatile herb goes well with almost anything. Plus, it's packed with vitamins and can help improve your immune function. Next is the spicy oregano, a must-have for pizza lovers. This robust herb has a warm balsamic flavor that can transform a dish. Moreover, it's packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Then there's the delicate dill. Perfect for pickles and fish dishes, this herb has a unique taste that's both slightly bitter and fresh. It's also a good source of calcium and aids in digestion. And don't forget the unique cilantro, a polarizing herb that some people love and others can't stand. Its strong, fresh flavor can add a lot of character to a dish. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants and can help lower your blood sugar levels. Our next contender is the sturdy rosemary. This robust herb with its needle-like leaves and strong aroma is not just a holiday herb, but a year-round friend. Often used in roasts and stews, the flavor of rosemary is unique and brings a distinct warmth to dishes. It's also a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a tasty ally for your health. And finally, let's not forget the resilient mint. This refreshing herb is perfect for tea or as a garnish. Its cool, invigorating taste is a welcome addition to a myriad of dishes. It's also known for its digestive benefits and soothing properties when brewed as a tea. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more daily updates on plants. Remember, these greens aren't just for show, they're for flavor. So start planting and relish the bounty of your kitchen garden. The joy of growing your own food is unparalleled. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice, these edible plants can bring untold benefits and a sense of fulfillment. So why wait? Start your indoor kitchen garden today.